Is your Amana AC leaking water inside? It's a common issue, often stemming from natural condensate buildup when the system cools humid air. This moisture should drain away, but problems arise when this process is disrupted. Amana AC systems work on refrigeration cycles where air is cooled and moisture condenses into water that must be drained. Key causes include a clogged or kinked drain line. This is the most frequent issue, accounting for around 40% of cases. Dirty air filters restrict airflow, leading to ice buildup on the evaporator coil, which then melts and overflows. Improper installation, like a unit not leveled correctly, prevents proper drainage. Low refrigerant levels can also cause the coil to ice up. Finally, a faulty condensate pump or float switch present in some models can lead to leaks. Preventative measures are crucial. Clean your air filters every 1 to 3 months. Schedule annual professional tune-ups and ensure the unit is level for proper gravity drainage. Remember, leaks aren't just a nuisance. They can lead to water damage, mold growth, and potential health risks. For minor Amana AC leaks, start with safety. Always turn off the AC unit by unplugging it or switching off the breaker to prevent electrical hazards. Next, check the condensate drain line for clogs or kinks. Look at this drain installation diagram to understand proper setup. Clogs are the most common cause of leaks. For mild clogs, flush the drain line with a mixture of equal parts vinegar and water. This dissolves algae buildup. Pour the solution into the drain and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. Inspect the drain pan for cracks or damage. Clean out any debris that could block proper drainage. If your Amana unit has a condensate pump, test it with a multimeter to ensure it's receiving power. Check the voltage at the pump's terminals. Know when to call a professional. If the leak continues after these fixes, or if you see ice on the evaporator coils indicating a refrigerant issue, contact an HVC technician. Attempting refrigerant repairs yourself is dangerous and not recommended. Also, if your unit is under warranty, DIY work might void it.